What is the average electrician salary in Montenegro? The average electrician income in Montenegro is around 11,500 US dollars a year. That is the average annual gross salary before tax, but tax takes a share, so your take-home pay drops to $8,600. This leaves you with a monthly electrician salary in Montenegro of roughly $717 after tax. Pay is higher in bigger cities like Podgorica, where workers bring home about $10,200 after tax. But living outside the capital costs less, which often offsets the lower average electrician pay. Entry-level electrician wages start well below this level, though income goes up quickly in your first few years before it plateaus unless you step into leadership. A university degree is not usually required for local trade jobs, yet getting higher education helps you move into better roles like project manager or site supervisor. On top of that, learning advanced technical skills or extra specializations can help you earn noticeably more than basic electrician wages.